guys, Nisi here. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'll be showing you how to decorate 3 vases from the Dollar Tree that you can add to your home decor this holiday season. For the first one, I'll be using a cylinder vase. I'm just going to use some rubbing alcohol to clean the area before I start to attach my gems. And I'll be using vase fillers for this one. So to attach my gems, I'm using hot glue along with E6000. This video is self-explanatory, so just keep watching. This is the final result for that one. Very beautiful. Now let's move to the second project. And I'll be using hot glue for this one. And I'll be using my silicone mold. And I'll just make petals with my hot glue. And then I'll attach them to my vase. I then cleaned the area and took it outside and I spray painted it with my vintage blush spray paint. And then I added gems. But you want to add the gem after you finish with your painting. I didn't plan on painting it, so I painted it with my white acrylic paint after. You want to do that part first. So I'll be using just hot glue for this part. You just want to fill the pocket with hot glue, and then the hot glue will hold the pieces together and also the gem. And here's the final result. Now for project number 3, I'll be using a bath mat. And I'll be using my same white acrylic paint. And I'll just give it 3 coats. And then I went over it with my translucent pearl paint. While that paint was wet, I added some fine glitter to it. So for this vase, I'll be using an empty old container, and I'm just gluing the lid on the top so it can be sturdy at the top. And then I'll just cut out the center. And then I'm just lining the container with my piece, and I'm using hot glue to do so. Now cut the excess off. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe if you didn't subscribe as yet. Please turn your bell notifications on so you can get notified next week when I upload my new video. Thanks for watching. Click on the screen to continue watching more of my videos.